Hitting it off, making instant connections. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we turn English phrases into easy-to-understand concepts. Today, we're going to talk about a very common English expression, hit it off. Ever met someone and instantly clicked with them? That's exactly what this phrase is all about. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and even hear some examples in action. So, let's get started and dive into the meaning of hit it off. Hit it off is a phrasal verb that describes a scenario where two or more people immediately like, understand, and connect with each other well when they first meet. It implies a strong and instant connection, often leading to a good friendship or a successful relationship. But what's behind this phrase? Why do we use the term hit in talking about relationships? It's because hit can also mean to find or to encounter something successfully, like hitting a target. When you hit it off with someone, you found a target for a potentially good relationship. You can use hit it off in informal situations, such as when talking about social interactions, meetings, or dates. It's not typically used in formal contexts. For instance, if you're telling a friend about a great person you met at a party, you might say, "We hit it off right away." It's also perfect for storytelling or sharing experiences where a friendship or romance started swiftly and positively. Let's look at some examples to see how you can use hit it off in everyday conversation. 1. I was nervous about meeting my roommate, but we hit it off as soon as we met. 2. My sister and her coworker hit it off. They're going to the cinema this weekend. 3. Our dogs hit it off and have been inseparable at the park. In each of these sentences, hit it off signifies that the parties involved found a special kind of harmony or compatibility quickly and effortlessly. Remembering phrasal verbs can be tricky, so here's a tip. Associate the phrase with a memorable situation or story. Imagine going to a new class and sitting next to someone. You start talking, and suddenly, you're both laughing and having a great time. That feeling, that moment when everything just flows easily, is hitting it off. Linking it to personal experiences can make it easier to recall and use the phrase when you speak or write in English. We hope you now feel comfortable with the phrase, hit it off, and are ready to use it in your next English conversation. It's a fun and useful expression that can add color to your stories about meeting new people and making friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using hit it off until it becomes a natural part of your English vocabulary. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep learning and keep practicing.